Yeah, hi friends. Welcome to the Vikshita Velocity Technologies channel. This channel is only dedicated for velocity. So today I will be explaining how to use in operator in Omni Studio Data Raptors. So before going directly into the Data Raptors, first I will explain how we will use in operator in normal Apex. So let us assume in a single SQL query, I want to fetch three records data. So if this is your requirement, how we will achieve this in normal Apex is, so we will create a simple SQL query here. Select name from account where ID in, you have to use in operator here. If you can use all those IDs here, comma separated one by one, or you can create one variable. That variable you can reference here. So I will create a record IDs. This is my variable name. This variable name I will create here. Set of ID, record ID is equal to new set of ID. So here put capital. For this set, for this variable of type set, I will add two account record IDs. Just record IDs dot add. This is one. This is second one. So first one, let take first one from here. This is my first account record ID. And second one is, this is my second record ID. So this query will return multiple records. So in order to hold data, we have to use list of account data. I will just iterate over this collection and I will print just account record name, the colon data system dot debug a dot name. Now I will execute this query here, whatever we wrote here, execute. So in the debug log, two account records names got printed here. So this is the way you can use in operator in normal Apex. So same thing how we have to use in Omni Studio Data Raptors. I will explain that now. So I will create here brand new Data Raptor. In operator return, and here interface type should be turbo extract. So only turbo extract will support in operator. Normal extract will not support. So I select a turbo extract, save. So I will query account object. My path will be accounts. Filter will be ID. I'm querying based on ID. Here you see here in operator is available. Select in operator. Here you can pass data here. So instead of passing values here, I will create one more input variable. Input will be records and value. Here it will come value. So this is my input variable. I use records and I will include only name field here. Yeah, this is done. Now I will just preview this data raptor record IDs. If I pass single record ID, it will give single record details. Execute. So we got single record. Now if I want to include one more record ID, how can we do that? Suppose if I give comma separated, then it will not work. Let's see this one. If I pass comma separated, before that, for single record ID, what is the query behind the scene got generated? This is the query. Select ID name from account where ID in. Now if we give two record IDs, let's see what is the query it will generate behind the scene. If I give two records by separating comma, this is the query generated behind the scene. Select ID name from account where ID in null. It is not considering in operator. So the correct way to pass multiple records here is by using array format here. Array format here, you have to pass. This is my first record ID and this is my second record ID. If you pass in array format, then it will work. It will generate a correct SOQL query behind the scene. Let's try execute. Now see here, ID in. This is in operator. This is first record ID. This is second record ID. Now it is working. So you have to pass data in array format. So this is in preview mode. But if you are planning to call this data raptor from integration procedure, how can you pass data in comma separated way? So for that, this is a integration procedure screen. Here you can create a new integration procedure. So how to use subtype will be in, okay, save. So I will call, just now I create a data raptor turbo data raptor, right? So I will call that turbo here. My data raptor name will be in operator. This is in operator. My data raptor is expecting input in records variable. Let's take that. So I will pass send only additional input. Data will be records. Now let us assume you are calling this integration procedure from OmniScript. At that time, OmniScript will send comma separated record IDs to your integration procedure. So for that, I will create one input variable. Input variable is input data. So here you will receive comma separated record IDs. So for that one, this is my first record ID, comma. This is my second record ID. Like this, you can include multiple records. First record. This is my second record. Now you have data in comma separated form. Edit as JSON. You have data in comma separated. Now you have to convert this comma separated record IDs into array of record IDs. For that one, how we can do is, let's create one set values action. So create data here. Let us initialize one variable, converted data. So here you can use out of the box split function. Yeah, you see good here. Yeah, you can use split function here. This is out of the box available. So split function will take two parameters. First parameter is your input. My input is available in input data. So input data. This is data available under this variable. Now I want to split by comma. So you have to specify comma here. Okay. Just see preview. This is input data. You have to use same variable here, split function, input data, and delimiter is comma. What it will do is this split function will give array of records. It will create array of records data. This is set values one. Now I want to pass this converted data to my data raptor turbo action. So how we can pass? So my data raptor turbo action is expecting data in records variable. And what is the data? My data is available under set values one. Set values set values one colon. This is the data. So element name followed by, so my set values one name is set values one, and this is the variable name. If you want to access this variable name, you have to follow hierarchy. Name colon this node name. Converted data. Now I will include one more response action. I will just return whatever data returned by Data Raptor Turbo Action 1. Return only additional output. Data. Data of from DR. Just I will include Data Raptor Turbo Action 1. Now just run this integration procedure. So I'm passing data in comma separated form. Let's see, execute. See here, now we got data, two records data corresponding to these record IDs. First one global media and second one Akmai. Yeah, if you see Data Raptor Turbo Action 1, this is written same data. And what is the input we are sending to Data Raptor Turbo? That you can see here under debug. See here input, we are passing data under node called records, and this is comma separated. Not this is array of record IDs. So this is how you have to use in operator in Data Raptors. To recap, what I have did here is I created one Data Raptor turbo action here. Accounts ID filter is in, and this Data Raptor expecting input data under this node records. So I am using records here. And I created one integration procedure. I created one set values. What is the use of set values is, here I'm using out of the box split function to convert comma separated record IDs into array format. After converting, same data I have passed to Data Raptor Turbo Action, and the same whatever output given by Data Raptor Turbo I am sending by using response action. Yeah, that's it for this video. I will come up interesting video next time.